Hello everyone, my name is Savi Sachin and today's topic is main method in Java. So Java main method is the starting point of Java program and the first execution start from the main method. Without main method, JVM will not execute the program. The syntax of main method is first public, then static void main, then string args. The Java main method is public, so public it is an access specifier. We should use the public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, will not be visible to JVM. This reason to main method is public. Then static. You can make a method static by using the static keyword. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the method which invoke without creating the object. So we do not need any object to call the main method. That's the reason is main method is static. Then second, void. In Java, every method has return type. So void keyword acknowledge the compiler that main method does not return any value. Main method do not return any value. So next main. It is default signature is predefined in the JVM. It is called by JVM execution of program line by line and execution after the completion of this method. We can also overload the main method. So in program present any one main method, then string args array. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line argument in the form of string value. They accept string value and provide to program. The main string array is array name and args is the array name, and it is of a string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of number, but in the form of string only. Value passed to main method is called argument. The argument are stored into args array. So the name args is generally used for it. So main method is written without string args. Then what happen? The program will compile but not run, because JVM will not recognize. Always look the main method without a string type array as parameter. So all about the main method in Java. Thank you.